Okay, it's probably going to be a jumpy video. I'll try and do my best, but I am going to take this and try sliding it onto those. The only thing is it just, the airflow comes from down there and pushes up. So, see, this can go up, but I'm hoping, now it says wire side toward furnace fan, airflow down. So the wire side is down there, the fan is down there, but the airflow goes up. So I just don't know. I don't know. I'm hoping that the door will maybe hold it. Oh, and this is nice. Installer, affix instructions adjacent to furnace. Consumer retain instructions for future reference. Empty. Don't know what else could be helpful. I'll check this out later. Maybe there are instructions online. Can we read that? Don't know. Honeywell. So, yeah, this is exciting. Don't know what else could be helpful to show, but give it a shot.